Good evening to everyone. I'm Ashwini Gupta here, at Let's Explore Knowledge. This is my YouTube channel. And today we will discuss about the e-assessment. That how can we create the paper for our students who are learning abroad. And of course, I would like to introduce you all. Like this thing we are doing on behalf of Now Classes online tuitions. We are working with Now Classes, right? So how to get the e-assessment, how to analyze, how to evaluate our student, whoever are learning from us from other, countries. So here I have found a solution, which is a little bit like, it's a free website, but yes, of course, it is having some limited features. But what I understood by getting the e-assessment from my students, that it is sufficient for us, right? So without wasting the time, let's come into the screen. I'm putting the screen here. Just go to the Google tab. Yes, this is our screen of Google, right? We will just search here Quizzory, Quizzory.in, right? It's a free website having multiple options and how to evaluate all the things that we will be getting, right? This is a Quizzory that is applicable on the Google Play Store as well. It is you can find it iOS like Apple Store. And yes, of course, it is also available in the Windows version, right? So here we can see, just we will go for get it started. So it will ask you about the, login. Like already I have logged in with my Gmail account. See, this is, and this is, see, you can see it is a free version. That what is we are getting in the free version, basically, we are getting the storage of 1 GB. We can have 10,000 submissions, out of which I have submitted like 23. Images that we can attach is about 50, out of which I have used 25. Custom themes that we can use up to 50, right? And I will suggest as the work is being done, you can delete the images as well. So the space will be free out, right? So this is you have to log in with your Gmail account, or simply you can go for sign in option, right? You can go for the sign up option. You can create your account. It will be free. Need not to go for the paid version. These are the simple things that we are getting: forms, pages, share, templates, and more, right? So one by one, I'm just going to this quiz because we have to do this assessment. See, so far I have done the assessments. These all are the assessments, right? I'm having. So I'm just going to explain you a simple assessment, how to create, and then I'll show that how I have created one, right? First of all, we will just put this create quiz, right? And see at this side, right side, you are having the preview, like on the device, on the smartphone, how it will appear, on the tab, how it will appear, and on the PC, how it will be appearing. So as we will put the things, you will be getting the same thing. Like suppose I put here year 11, okay, AQA, physics, or we can write here, okay, physics, right? Here we can describe that it is related to work and energy. For example, I have taken this topic and you can see here on the screen that is applicable to you, right? These things you will get in. Now, coming to this, add question option. Like I came here, options are short answer, long answer, multiple choice, drop down, file upload, and section. Like you can put the section and all, section A, MCQ, section B, this way, right? For example, I put here section, right? I put here section A, multiple choice questions. Okay. Description, all questions carry 1 marks. For example, I have described that one, right? Simultaneously, you can see this thing by start. You can put your name here. Suppose I have put this name, start page. So see, that type of things you will be getting, right? Now, again, it will be plus. The question is asking short, long, multiple. Since it is a multiple choice question, I have to take that multiple choice. Okay. Now I have to put the question. So let's, for example, if I have gone through this, save my exam. Let's take that AIGCSE physics. For example, I have taken the exam questions from at Excel. We are talking about the work and energy. So let's see. Where's the work and energy? This is the work, power, and energy, right? So simply I have taken these questions. Now, what I will be doing, because here it is not possible to, like you can do the copy paste and all. So I'm just download this one, right? And once it's being downloaded, now I can access the questions here. Okay. Let it be completely download. Now the question is here. So what I did, I have just copied this one, Control C, went to that question, put it that one. Now options are there. Option number 1. Again, I will go to this. Okay, one line is more here. Control C. Here I will go to the last. Put this question, right? Now option number 1. So option number 1 is 960 joules per coulomb. Either you can write directly or you can put this kind. Second option, 960 joules per second. Third option, 960 Newton per meter. Fourth option, 960 Newton per second. So if I'm not wrong, it is asking about the power of 960. What is 960 joules per second, right? This is the correct answer. Got it? Here you can change the marks if you want to get the marks and all. You can change the marks. It's up to you. Then I put the duplicate. Why? Because it will save a little bit time. How? Let's see. Okay, one thing. There's an image, right? So what we will be doing here, we will just zoom it a little bit to get the proper image and taking this image as well. Now I will save this image on my local drive. For example, I have here put it here, right? It's an image like work demo 1 by name this. And now here, this is attachment. I will put attachment image. See, here various questions are given. I have put this add image, choose image. Just go to this download and we will do this one, right? You will upload this. So now if you see, if we want to see the, that preview, so you can see here the preview, right? Oh, by mistake, I have done in this first one. I have to do in the first one. So here it is uploaded. I will do that, right? Now you can also delete that question, like see. So this is first question we are having, like you can change this one as well. See here, that's the case. Now, second question I have put as a duplicate because I want to add more MCQs. So here I will be go. Whatever the questions are, like suppose here this is a small question without the diagram. I will just copy and put here Control V. Then options are Control C. The options we will select, replace the options. Mass. Again, we'll put that one. Yes, Control V. Third, we are in weight and work. So what we can do, simply we can write weight. And the last one we can do is work. Okay. So now, what the question is saying, my dear, when a bulk from a low shelf is placed on a higher shelf, it will gain the gravitational potential energy. This is the correct answer, right? So in this way, we can add the MCQs as well as now, suppose we want to add more questions. So just click like this one. Now, second section we have to go for, right? Here, section B. That we can put short answer type, right? All questions carry 2 marks, for example. Now, adding the questions, short answer we are talking. See, the short answers are having the limitation of very small. So please take care of this whenever we are putting that one. So we have to be very conscious that answer should be like in one line or single line like this one. So it will be having some limitation too. Like suppose name, for example, name two renewable sources. So now I have put here solar energy and geothermal energy, right? Always remember whenever it's a descriptive question now, so we have to evaluate the answers manually as well, because suppose you have written these two, that solar energy and geothermal energy. So algorithm is like that. It characters are there and the spacing are there, or sometimes suppose the student has written something else like wind energy, right? So in that case, you have to go through the solution, but we can put some answers over here, right? Suppose we have taken another like a short question. For example, let's see. Uh, any question we can have, like state the equation linking this formula, we can ask. So we will write here work done is equal to force times distance, right? In this way. Then we will be adding the long answer. Suppose, wait a moment, let me delete this one. Adding one section first. If we are putting the sections, so long answer type questions, right? All questions carries 3 marks, for example, right? Plus, now we will choose the long answer, and let's see, some question is here. We can't put any questions in that one, like this question also we can do. Suppose I have taken this as a long answer. This is put here. Then this again I have clear in that question. Power. Now state the equation, like say it is not required. That is, suppose we can put this one. And in this, right? This is, now this question is there. So we can copy this image. Again, I will just copy that image. I will save that image. Here, work demo 2, right? It is for our sake of simplicity. Now here I will attach the image by adding image, getting that one. See, now it is not getting, we are not getting our full image, right? So what we will be doing is just take this one bottom and scale according to your requirement, right? Do that one. See, sometime it will be very blurry, to be very frank. So these images we can send on the chat option during the class. Now here you can add some whatever the things are, like amount of energy turbine in 10 seconds. So I'm just giving you energy is equal to basically power by time, right? Power into time, right? Because power is equal to energy per time. So by this, here we will write in the next line that is equal to 78 into 10 is equal to 780 Joule, right? This kind of answer we can put here, and we can change the marks because it is of 3 marks. And one thing, here it was 2 marks, so we will update it as 2 marks and all, right? In this way, we can add the questions, right? You can see here, the questions are there. Now, once all the questions has been done, and one more, suppose there's some schematic diagram question that we are having. So what we can do is, we can go for this plus option here as a question is file upload, right? A question you can put here. So the student will write in the notebook and upload that snaps through this one, right? For example, draw DC motor, for example, right? So now student will draw DC motor in his copy, and it will he will take the snaps and upload directly on this one, right? Now, coming to this setting, once the question has been done, so setting like theme you can change. So here it is options, various options are there. You can choose any of the option that you find suitable according to your questions and all. So it's up to you. For example, I have taken this one, right? Looking so like techy. And then you can use our logo. I have already uploaded that logo. So from browse, you can upload it. Now, welcome page, if you want to say something, then you can. You can click this one, show counts. So the total number of questions will be displayed. You can put the passcode protection. It will be randomly generated. A student will access the question paper if he has the passcode. You can regenerate. It's up to you, right? Then control what the details you want to get, like name, suppose year. Second, we want to get email, not year, right? Third, we want like, board, right? Or curriculum, we can say. Okay. This is up to your choice. It's an option base. Only one is a mandatory, rest is option. Now you can put the duration, that how much, you want. For example, if I want to get this test for 45 minutes, so done. Allow multiple times. Sometime it happens because of the technical glitch, student will be out. So that's why I put always allow multiple times. Now, so quiz results show the correct answers after the paper has been submitted. So the student can get the correct answers, right? Question mark, you can show shuffle questions. You can shuffle the question, like suppose a single paper is, the 10 students are doing. So everyone will get the random, number of questions like this one. So you can schedule, shuffle, then you can schedule the opening and closing and all. These are the basic settings what we are having. Now collaboration, that you can specify the persons who can access this particular paper. Once these settings you have done, just submit it. This will be the link that you can copy. And now the student, see here the passcode is there. So whenever you will be sharing this link, so you will get that passcode as well to the students, right? Now I'm putting this link here on the chat box. See, it is showing the passcode. So I'm just deleting this passcode right now. As a student now, I'm going to, do that paper. Just give me a second, please. Okay, copy link. Then, okay, let's suppose you can share it on everywhere, anywhere do you want. You can, just use that link. It's up to you. For example, if I say that Ashwini, there's a link, you can do at WhatsApp as well, no problem. Send, right? Now it has been sent, view message. Just click this link. Right? This is a student portal that is going to be open. Now the first thing that it will ask, the passcode is 760822. So we will put here 760822, right? As I put this enter, I got this one. Now start, it will ask my name, Ashwini, year 11, suppose add Excel, right? Start page. So as I put, see here, the timer is working. Logo is there, total marks 13, total question 6. Now, there's a question, like suppose I have put here 96 joule per second. Here I have taken that gravitational pull, named two renewable source. For example, coal and petroleum I put, right? For example, right? Then state the equation linking. So we return W is equal to F dot D. See, this is also correct. Only the student has done one thing, that he has, used the symbols. So in that case, we have to give the marks and all. Now, long answers like this one. So here I have to give the answer for this. What is the answer? So we can write that energy is equal to power divided by time, right? For example, someday. So we have done some. Now, see, draw the DC motor, upload. 50 MB sizes cover like this one. We can choose the files from this one. Like suppose I have put this diagram like this one, sub, right? In this way, the student can do the paper and see the image is blurry. So what we will be doing, we can share the image in the chat box while taking the class. So the student will not confuse. Now, submitting it. As I've submitted, the question asking view results. So view result, if you see here, I will be not getting the exact result because it is under evaluation, right? So what I will be doing here, just see, this is a student panel. Now coming to our panel, close it. Now coming to this, see, this is a paper that I have created right now, Monday, 10/21. Here, just refresh it. It will be showing 1. Let's see. Pages. No, it is 1. That means one student has attempted the paper and the pending evaluation is there. So as a teacher, what we will do? We will click it. Now, see, MCQs are already evaluated because the marks answers was marked. Now here, coal and petroleum, since we know the coal and petroleum is wrong, so we will award 0. Now, F into D, that is absolutely correct. We will upload 3, right? Because the student has given that particular. Now, here, power by sign, this is wrong. It will be 0, right? You can use here. Now, file upload not validated automatically. So for that, what we have to do is, we have to go for this file first now. So close and go here and just open that file. Whatever he has written, it will be downloaded. You will see if you find that it is correct, right? Then you can evaluate, suppose whatever the marks you are going to give. Then save, right? Now see, the score has been here, right? It has been evaluated completely. All the questions has been completely evaluated, right? And the marks has been disclosed. Now, when the student will, refresh it, his link, so he will be getting the marks very soon. Wait a moment. It is after publishing. Got it? Now, you can share the link again. And let me see whether he is able to see the links or not. No. What we have to do is, after this, we will go here about this one. Here, this is option that is written publish, right? Evaluated, 54% mark. Just do this publish, right? Now, if I refresh it as a student, so I will be getting my scores, right? And in that case, now I can see the correct answers by clicking that, right? Wherever I have done mistakes, I can go the solutions, that what was the solution value, right? So in this way, we can create the paper, we can share the paper to the students, and again, the student can opt the paper in real time, and the scores can be provided after evaluation of that paper, right? So I hope that this is very much being clear how the paper is being created. The link is Quizzory. I will be sharing the link as well as the chat box. So I hope that this video you found useful, and if you have still any query, please reach to us. We are always here to help you in any manner. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again. Bye-bye.